Python class 5, Python variables and data types. Important chapter, variables and data types. Both are related, two topics, but related topics. See, variable, observe Sandhya, variable. What is the purpose of variable? For storing data. Variable for storing data. Next, data type. Data type for specifying 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 the type of data. One is for specifying the type of data, another for storing the data. Both are related topics. Both are independent topics, related topics. And one more thing, Komalata, in object-oriented programming, see, latest are all modern languages are object-oriented programming languages. In object-oriented programming, not only in Python, you take any object-oriented programming, we have two important things, Lata. One is data, another is data behavior. Data behavior. One is data, another is data behavior. See, for storing data, we use fields, variables, fields or variables. Next, for defining data behavior, we use methods in object-oriented programming. Methods. See, in Python, functions also available for code reusability, but in other programming languages like Java, C++, only methods. Okay, method, function, both are same in purpose. See, data and data behavior. These are the important things in object-oriented programming. For defining data, for storing data, we use variables. For defining data behavior, we use methods in object-oriented programming. And one more thing, Sandhya, that's why these are the Java, not only Java, Python, Java, C++, object-oriented programming class members. See, OOP class members. OOP class members. What are the object-oriented programming class members, Akila? What are the object-oriented programming class members? Variables and
methods.
Methods. See, observe, Akila. Any problem?
No, sir.
Variables and methods are called as class members.
Class members.
These two are important. Why? In object-oriented programming, important things are data and data behavior. That's it. Okay, come to mainstream. Observe, Komlata. Today, I planned this chapter, variables and data types. In this chapter, 8 topics. What is a variable? Variable naming rules, creating or declaring variables, get the data type, global and local variables, types of variables, global and local variables, scope. Next, deleting a variable. Next, Python built-in data types, getting the data. See, first, what is variable? What is variable? YA. What is variable? Now tell me, Sandhya, in your point of view, it is programming element. It is programming language element. You can find variables in every computer programming language. It is common element, common programming element in every language. Now tell me, Sandhya, what is variable in computer programming? What is variable?
Common programming language, sir.
Common programming language. Common element in programming
Sorry.
languages. Okay.
Yeah, common element or feature, sir. Yeah.
Common element in programming languages. Okay. What is variable? You tell me, Komalata, in your point of view, tell me in your own words, what is variable?
A variable is used to store data. I mean,
That is purpose. Variable is used to store data. Okay, good. That is purpose. Okay. That is
a container,
variable.
sir. Variable is a container.
Yes, variable is container. It carries data.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Observe, Akila. Variable is a named memory location to store the temporary, not permanent, temporary data within a program. Observe this point, Akila. Variable is a named memory location. First, identify this memory. See, in our computer environment, we have two types of memories. One is permanent memory, another is temporary memory. Permanent memory, temporary memory. What is temporary memory?
We use variables and data structure and to store variables and data structure.
I am asking, observe my question. What is temporary memory in computer environment? I am not asking variables, data structures, etc. It is general question. Tell me, Sandhya, what is temporary?
Maybe the memory is stored temporary, sir.
What is memory? What is temporary memory in computer environment? It's very simple question. Komalata, did you understand my question?
Temporary. You're asking what is the
temporary memory in our computer environment?
RAM.
Good. RAM. Random access memory, RAM. See, our variable store in temporary memory called RAM, Akila.
Okay,
That's
sir.
why the temporary data. When you start your program execution, then variables load into your program variables load into temporary memory. Next, after completion of the execution of your program, then variables remove from the RAM. No permanent storage. Permanent storage is ROM. Read-only memory. Can you give one or two examples for ROM, Sandhya? It is elementary question for software professionals. Can you give one or two examples for ROM? Read-only memory, ROM. I think Akila can answer it.
Sir, it's
permanent memory. ROM or permanent memory. RAM or temporary memory. RAM is that is computer peripheral component.
So files and database is a permanent memory.
And database is permanent memory. Okay. Akila, not Akila. Komalata. HDD. What is HDD? Hard disk drive.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Hard disk drive. Yes, sir.
Observe, Akila, where we store files and databases on physical hard disk, na?
Yes, sir.
If it is server hard disk or client hard disk. Okay. Hard disk drive. Next, DVD. CD drives nowadays slowly getting outdated. Floppy drives already outdated. DVD, next, USB, etc. are the permanent storage devices, ROM. Our variable store in RAM. Okay, now this concept, Sandhya, tell me what is variable in computer programming environment? What is
Yes,
variable?
it is a memory location, sir, which stores
A variable is
temporary.
a named. Don't forget this one. A variable is a named memory location to store the temporary data within a program. Temporary
program.
data, not permanent data. Variable store in our program variable store in RAM, random access memory, temporary memory of computers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Variables are identifiers in our programming, not only in Python, Aquila.
So,
Next, Aquila, observe this point. Variable naming rules. Variable naming rules. I think all of you familiar with Java programming. In Java
yes.
programming also we have variable rules. I think similar rules are applicable in Python. First, Python variables are Sandhya. Python variables are case sensitive. Case
Okay, sir.
sensitive. What is the meaning of this one?
Either
Python
it could be
variables
capital.
are case sensitive. Means there is a difference between uppercase and lowercase values. Suppose if we use uppercase values for your variables, use same values for entire program. Lowercase values, use lowercase values for entire program. Don't mix. Getting?
Okay.
See, you can use,
Okay.
see, all all Python keywords are small letters, but you can use lowercase letters or uppercase letters for your identifiers, but use same letters for entire program. What here case sensitive means, Akila, there is a
Yes,
difference between uppercase and lowercase values.
yes, sir.
Okay. For example, if it is VB script, Microsoft VB script, no, not case sensitive, not case sensitive. Observe, it is not case sensitive. Dim, dim, A is variable name. I declared a variable. Next, A equals to 100. Next, MSG box, capital A, capital A. Save as VBS file, save as VBS file. Suppose ABCD dot extension is VBS. On desktop, save. Now observe, Lata. Declaration time I used small a. Value assignment time I used small a. Displaying time I'm using capital A. Capital A. It can execute. Observe, it is showing output 100 na.
Sir,
Why VB script is not case sensitive,
not case
but
sensitive.
our Python is case sensitive.
Sensitive.
Okay. Here case sensitive means you can use either uppercase or lowercase letters for variables. Use same letters for entire program. There is a difference between uppercase and lowercase values. Next, a variable, observe Sandhya, a variable name starts with a letter. Here letter means alphabet. A
Yes, sir.
letter or the underscore character. underscore also character. Observe one general point, Sandhya, in our computer environment, we have three types of characters. First one, alphabetic characters. Next, digit characters. Digit characters means numbers. Next, special characters. Underscore, at the rate symbol, ampersand symbol, percentage symbol, bracket, all are special characters. Okay, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Observe, you can use capital A to Z or small a to small z or underscore. No digit character for starting. Here
Okay.
observe, I am not writing complete syntax, only partial syntax. Observe, Sandhya. Suppose where, it is my variable name. It is my variable name. Is it valid or invalid? Is valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. It is
Okay.
valid.
Question
It
selected.
is valid. I'm just writing variable name and not writing complete syntax. Suppose where Akila, where, is it valid or invalid?
Valid, sir.
Valid. Yes, you can use uppercase also, no problem. But use same value for entire program for that variable. Next, first letter capital, remaining small. Yes, it is valid. Next, first letter underscore. Next, where. It is valid.
Valid.
Next, next. For example, 7 where Lata. 7 where.
Invalid, sir.
Invalid.
No, should not start with digit.
Yes, should not start with digit character. Next, where 721. Is it?
Valid, sir.
Yes, it is valid. See, after first letter, suppose with the alphabetic or underscore, it is valid. It is valid. Next, suppose where star, Akila, where star.
Valid, sir.
Invalid.
Star.
Invalid. See, special characters not allowed in variable names except underscore. Special characters not allowed except underscore. Digit characters allowed, but after first letter. Alphabets allowed. A to Z capital, A to Z small. First letter or other letters. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, my underscore where. Sandhya, my underscore where.
Valid, sir.
Valid, valid. See, this is about variable naming restriction. Akila, raise query. Raise query.
No queries, sir.
Okay. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore, no other special characters. Next, the reserved words cannot be used to name variables. Observe the reserved words. Just a minute. Words cannot be used as identifiers. Variable is identifier only. Identifiers. For example, observe. Suppose F5. It is my variable name. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Correct or incorrect? Sandhya, is it correct or incorrect? Fi, my variable
Yes.
name.
No, sir.
Why? What is the problem? It is valid only. It is valid only, Sandhya. Why? What is the problem? I used two alphabetic characters, small letters. Okay, small letters are big letters, valid only. Suppose
Yes, sir.
if this is invalid, why? If is Python keyword. If is Python keyword. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose for also invalid. Why? For is Python keyword. Why people are not responding? Any problem,
Yes, sir.
Komalata?
No, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
What is variable? Variable naming rules. Next, creating variables. Before moving to this one, Akila mentioned what are the important variable naming rules for Python variables.
So Python variables are first case sensitive, sir.
First, Python variables are case sensitive.
The variable name must start with a letter or the character, but not a special
Character
character.
underscore character.
Underscore character.
What character? We have different types of characters: alphabetic characters, digit characters, special characters. You need to mention underscore character only. Okay. Next,
And
a variable name cannot start with a number.
the variable name cannot start with a number.
Number only capital A to Z or small a to Z or underscore. First letter.
The variable name cannot have a special character.
Except underscore. Underscore also special character.
Yes.
Next,
And
last one. The
okay.
reserved words are keywords.
Keywords. The variable names
Python keywords cannot be used as variables, variable names. Okay, now.
Sir.
Next, creating variables, Sandhya. Creating variables. Here, observe one important point, Sandhya. Python
Yes, sir.
is a scripting language. Technically, it is programming language, but it is a lightweight language. It is an informal language, not like Java, C++. They are formal languages. They support explicit declaration of data types. For example, if you want to declare a variable in Java, you need to specify the data type before declaring a variable. Suppose if you want to store integer type data, int x is variable name. You can use x or abc or something. 1 to 256 characters in length variable name. Suppose x equals to 100, it is okay. Suppose if you want to store character type data, char y equals to single character. Suppose d, single character.
Okay.
Next, if you want to store string type data, string is there for specifying data type. String equals to Lata. String equals to Lata. Data specification is there. But this is in Java. But in Python Lata, no data type specification. Python doesn't support the explicit declaration of data types. Not only
Yes, sir.
Python. You take any lightweight language, scripting language, Python, JavaScript, VBScript, Perl, Ruby, Rex, etc. They don't support the explicit declaration of data types. Lightweight languages. In lightweight languages, less or no formalities. Okay, our Python, see, Python has no command to create or declare variables. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Observe this point, Akila. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Observe in Python. Suppose my variable is x. X equals to x. Just a minute. X equals to 100. It is variable declaration, Lata. 100 is value.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
100 is value. It can store any type of data.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't consider data type. It can store any type of data. Suppose
Yes.
in the same program, after some statements or immediate statement, if you use x equals to 10.23, it will consider. But Java doesn't consider. Suppose here x equals to 100. Now, after that, if you
Yes,
use
sir.
x equals to 200, it will consider. 200 also integer. Suppose after some time, if you use x equals to 1.23,
Float.
it is invalid. What is Java comment symbol? This is invalid. Why? 1.23 is not integer type data, but Python considers. Next, after some time, or immediate statement, if you use x equals to India, it will consider. Suppose after some time, if you use x equals to true, it is a logical value, it will consider. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
how it specifies the data based on the usage of data. See, internally Python considers data types, not externally. Internally, Python considers data types based on usage of data. If you enter 100, then internally it considers 100 is integer, 10.23 is float, India is string, true is boolean, like. Okay, internally Python considers the data. How end user considers? For end user, we have one special built-in function called type function. Using type function, we can get data types of variables, but no restriction here. Getting the point, Lata, or any confusion?
No, sir. No confusion, sir.
This is about declaring or creating variables, both are synonyms. Next, getting the data type. I already told, Akila,
Yes, sir.
here no explicit declaration of data types in Python language, but it considers data types based on the usage of data. How end user knows that? Using type function. Get just a minute. Suppose a equals to 100, data visible, you can say that is integer, a equals to 100. Suppose if you are reading data from a file, that time data may not visible. Using type function, you can check the data type. Suppose b equals to 10.23. Suppose c equals to India. Suppose d equals to uh, false, true or false, true, false, and none. They are logical values, or you can say literal values in computer programming. Next, observe, Lata, print a. Comment symbol is hash sign. What it will print? It will print int. It will
100.
print int. Oh, sorry. Yes, 100 only. I need to write just a minute. My mistake only. Type of a. Lata.
Okay, sir. It will int.
Int. See, print of means open bracket. Print of type of A is variable. It will print int Sandhya. Int. That is fixed
Okay.
constant, built-in constant of Python programming language. It doesn't print integer. Int for integer. Next, B. This is float. Float for, see, integer is number, float also number. Integer is plain number, float is number with decimal places, floating point value. Next, Akila.
Correct.
See, what Akila? Somebody asking?
No, nothing, sir. I'm telling the data type.
And one more thing, one drawback, it is not drawback, less functionalities. Python doesn't support character data type, Lata. Getting this point?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Python doesn't support character data type. Character means single character. In Java,
Yes, sir.
we declare single character using char, C-H-A-R, char data type, na?
Yes, sir.
A single character means either alphabet or number or special character. Any character, single character. But Python doesn't support
Python doesn't support.
single character. Python doesn't support character data type. Python supports numeric data type. Next, string data type. Next, Boolean data type. This is third one. This is Sandhya. India. It is string. Here str. Observe the names. str. str for string.
String.
str for string. Next, D. That is Boolean. Boolean data means logical data. Boolean is technical term. Logical is English term. Okay, Boolean also English, but technical, programming technical. Here, bool. Bool for Boolean. Bool for Boolean. Run module. Observe, Akila, is it okay? Int, floats, str, bool. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
How end user knows data types? Using type function. Type
Yes, sir.
is built-in function. Built-in function of Python. Print is built-in function of Python. False is, observe color coding, orange color. False is
Boolean.
keyword. Python keyword. Suppose if, observe color coding. If is keyword. Getting?
Yes, sir.
See, in this Python IDLE, Komalata, orange color keywords are reserved words. This purple color built-in functions. Okay. Next, this color. What color it is? Red flavor.
Pink, sir, maybe.
Pink. This color for comments.
Comment.
But
Okay,
this
sir.
color coding only in Python built-in shell. But in Python, PyCharm ID, colors different.
Okay, sir.
This is about getting the data type, Sandhya. Raise query, Sandhya. Raise query.
Got it, sir.
Okay, next, move to next topic. Global and local variables, Lata. Global and local variables. This is this concept is related to scope. In our Java programming, Lata, recollect Java programming, I think we have 3 types of variables, isn't it? Lata, can you recollect Java programming? We have 3 types of variables in Java. What are they?
Yes, sir. Global, local, and
Global. Okay. I think Akila can answer it. Akila, we have 3 types of variables in Java programming.
public, private.
that is scope, access modifier. You tell me, Sandhya.
Integer, character, string.
That is data type.
That is data type.
That is data type, not variable type. Data type. Okay. Remember, Lata, static variables,
Oh,
static variables, or you can say class variables, class level variables. Next, non-static variables are
Yes, sir.
instance variables. Next, third one, local variables. We declare local variables in code blocks.
Yeah.
Getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here also, here, global variables, local variables. Variables that are defined in main program are called global variables. Variables that are defined inside a function body, local variables. Getting the program?
Yes, sir.
Getting the point? What are global variables? Variables that are defined inside main program are called global variables. Next, variables that are defined inside a function body declared as called as local variables. Observe one example, Lata, then you can get more clarity. Example. This is global and local. This is
Local
scope.
variables.
This is scope. Global and local scope point of view. Next, access modifiers. Access modifiers are there that we will discuss later. In Java programming, Sandhya, we have 3 access modifiers. What are the 3 access modifiers in Java programming, Sandhya?
Don't
Sorry,
remember.
4 access modifiers in Java programming. 3 access modifier in Python programming. I think all of you familiar with Java programming. Tell me, Sandhya, what are the 4 access modifiers in Java programming? It's very simple question. Okay, Lata.
Public, private.
Yes, public, private,
Default.
Protected.
and protected. And protected, yes.
Protected. Yes, sir.
Protected.
Public, default.
Public, private, default, and protected.
Protected.
Next, in
Yes, sir.
Python, we have 3 access modifiers.
Modified.
Public, private, protected. No default here. That we will discuss later. Example. Sandhya, B sharp. Suppose
Yes, sir.
x equals to 1, 2, 3. X equals to 1, 2, 3. It is global variable. Global variable. Why? We declared in main program, not in a function body.
Yes, sir.
Not in a function body. Next, I am declaring one function using def keyword. Don't focus on this function. We will discuss functions in functions chapter. Functions chapter. Suppose func. It is function name. Any meaningful name you can use. Open and close parenthesis. Double quotes. It is code block syntax. The code indentation it is following. Next, y equals to 200. Y equals to 200. Observe, Sandhya, it is local variable. Local variable. Why? We declared this variable in a
Outside.
function body. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, print x plus y. Print x plus y. I am calling function. Don't focus on the syntax. Function, open and close parenthesis. Enough for calling. I think it will print 300. Just a minute. Save, run module. 323. Yes, 323 only. 123, 200. Next, observe. Suppose print x plus y. X plus y. I'm using this statement in main program, Akila. What will happen? Will it execute or show error?
Mm,
Error.
Error.
Why? X
Y
is
is
global
not-
variable.
Yes,
It is
sir.
used for entire program. Y is local variable. Local to this block of code only. Outside of that block, that is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Run module. Observe what it is showing. Name error. Name error. Name
Yes,
Y is not defined. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is see. You will get name error. Name error for Y. It is local variable. Y local variable. This is about global and local variables. Global and local variables. Next, observe Sandhya. Just a minute. Leave it this one. I'm creating one more function in this program file. Observe def function name. Add function name. Add. Next, suppose z equals to 300. Okay. Print x is global variable. It can be used for entire program, inside any block of code or outside any block of code. Just a minute. Add open and close parenthesis. Observe the output, Sandhya. What is the output of this one? What is the output of this one? X plus Z. 423.
23.
Okay.
423. 300 plus 123. Run module. Okay. 423. Now observe Komalata. Suppose X plus Y plus Z. What is the output?
Error, sir.
Error, sir,
Error.
because it's
Error. No output. Error. Okay. Y. Y is local variable. Local to that first function. Local to
Yes, sir.
first function. That is not visible for other function. X is visible for entire program.
Everything. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Here also error. Raise query, Sandhya, raise query. Shall we move to next
Got
topic?
it, sir. Yeah.
Okay. This is about global and local variables. Next, one small topic, Komalata, small topic. Delete a variable. Delete a variable. Say, if you create a variable, it occupies some memory. If
Yes,
you
sir.
want to delete your variable at middle of the program or end of the program, or immediately, you can delete. We can delete a variable using del keyword. You can delete a variable using del
Del keyboard.
keyword, del command, or you can say keyword, del keyword. Create a variable, just a minute. Suppose x equals to 1, 2, 3. X equals to 1, 2, 3. Print that variable value. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Sorry. X. Save. Run module. 1, 2, 3. Just message with variable. Just I am enhancing that statement. Observe, Lata. X value is comma X. Message with variable value. See, it increases the readability. It is increasing the readability now.
Yes.
Okay. Next, delete this variable Sandhya using del keyword. Del of
Okay, sir.
of means open bracket. Del of X. Delete it. It will delete. Suppose print X after the statement. Print X. What will happen, Akila? What will happen? X now, definitely it will show error.
Sir, nothing will be there next.
That's why it will show error. Why? No X variable in your program that is
Yes, sir.
deleted, but you are calling X. You are going to print the X. So it is error. Error now. Save the program. Run module. Observe. X is not defined. Error.
X is not
Runtime error. Okay, na Akila? Shall
Yes,
we move
sir.
to next topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, what is that next topic? Python built-in data types. Python built-in data types. Getting the data type, we already discussed. Okay, I will elaborate that one. Python built-in data types. Theory topic, observe, Sandhya. Text data type. See, our chapter is variables and data types, related topics. Two topics, related topics. Text data type. For text data type, Sandhya, we use string. Next, numeric data types. Komalata, we use int, float, any other? Int, float, complex. Just a minute. Suppose X equals to 1, int Y equals to 2.1, float Z equals to 12Z. Is complex. Just a minute. Print. Spell mistake. Print. Type of X comma Y comma Z. I'm printing all three in single statement. Will it show error or execute? Try, run. Argument must be str, not int. What is that one? Type error. Line 5. Type error. Only one at a time. Not all at a time. Isn't it?
Yes, sir, not all at a time.
Not all at a time. All are different now.
Yes, sir, they all are different.
Different. Save. run module, str, sorry, int, float, complex.
STR, string,
Observe.
yeah, complex. Yes.
Complex na?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Complex number. Formula is there. See, you no need to focus on that complex number. See, generally mathematical programming or scientific programming time they use, but 90% we don't use complex. Numeric data types, Sandhya. Next, sequence types. Sequence types. These are data structures. List. Next, tuple. Next, range. Next, mapping. Mapping type. It is important type Lata. Dictionary. You know dictionary object? Dictionary. Dic. Mapping. It is used to store key value pairs. Key value pairs. Name, key. Lata, value. Age, key. 20, value. Qualification, key. MTech, value. Getting?
Okay, sir.
Set data types. Set data types. You remember, you no need to practice all string, int, float, next string, int, float, bool, next list, tuple, dictionary, set. These 8 enough. Next, set, Trojan set. Set. Next, Boolean type, Sandhya. Boolean type. Bool. Next, binary. You need to focus on this one. Binary types. Bytes. Memory view. Next, observe Lata. Here you focus on int, float. Next, bool. Next important one, string. These are for storing one value at a time. Next, for storing multiple values at a time based on the size. They are data structures. Here, focus on list, set, tuple, next, dictionary. These 8 enough. We will discuss these 8 in our training program, Lata. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Important types to focus. Rise query, Killa, rise query.
No, no query, sir.
Okay. Next, what is the next one? Python built-in type. Getting the data type. We already discussed na. Getting the data type. We already discussed na. Getting the data type.
Sir.
Where is that one? Just a minute. Getting the data type. Just I will enhance it with all data types. All data types. These are single units. Single units. Next, multiple units. Don't focus on this syntax. For example, E equals to, this is also single unit, 12Z. 12Z. This is also single unit. Just a minute. Guide me, Sandhya. E.
Yes, sir.
It is complex number. Okay. Next, I'm using one blank line. How you use blank line? Just this is for blank line. Next, EF equals to square brackets. Don't focus. Square brackets for list. Suppose India, China. See, it can accept any type of data, not only string. Suppose 10, 20, 20.34. Next, false. See, in this list, I'm using different types of data. Different types of data. EFG. Next, tuple. For tuple, we use round brackets, or you can say parentheses, round brackets. Just a minute. I'm using same data. You can use different data. Next, EFGH. This time, set. Just a minute. Open curly braces. Don't use double quotes for keywords. False. Close this one. Next, Hij, not reserved. Generally, we use IJK variables for variables in flow control statements. If I, for I, like IJ, suppose X equals to open curly braces. Name, for example, it is key. Name, colon, name, colon, suppose Lata. Value is Lata. Name is key. Comma, suppose age. It is also key. Colon, suppose 20. For example, this is number na, don't use double quotes. It is value, comma, suppose qualification. First to close this one. Qualification. Suppose BTech. Close curly braces. Here, how many sets are there in this dictionary, Lata? How many sets are there?
Set is only one, sir.
What is the size of dictionary? What is the size of dictionary?
2, sir.
3.
Okay. Not 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Len of X. Len of X. Just a minute. Save. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Multi-line comment. Run. Observe the last output. 3 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 pairs. 3 pairs. What are the 3 pairs?
Name,
Lata
age,
one pair. Name is key, Lata is value. Age 21 pair. Qualification BTech 1 pair. 3.
Yes, sir.
Suppose print Lenaf, Sandhya,
H.
print Lenaf F. F is list.
Yes.
What is the size?
4.
F.
1, 2,
How many values? Here no key
Four.
pair values, independent
Yeah.
values, single values.
Oh,
1
fine,
India, 2 China,
5, sir.
Yes, sir.
5. Save, run module. 5 na.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, Sandhya. Just a minute. Here it is not required. Here it is not required. After this one, I'm using. After this one, I'm using. Next, just a minute. Print type of F. Print type of F. Next, G. Next, H. Next, X. Observe, Sandhya, last topic for the day. Last one. What is the last one? X. What is X? What is X? It will return
X equal to
dictionary.
name. Okay, sir.
X. Dictionary na?
Okay.
Dictionary. What is this H? What is this H? I think H is set. See, data structures we will discuss in separate chapters. Data structures require 3 classes. Next, what is this G? Tuple. Just a minute. Tuple. What is this F? Square brackets. List. Okay. These are, I covered maximum. Now observe, Akila. Save. Run module. Observe last. Dictionary, set, tuple, list. Single data. Int, float, string, bool, complex. 3 5. 3 is size of dictionary. 5 is size of list. This program is okay na? Killer raise query. Is it okay or any confusion? Killer not responding. What about you, Sandhya? Hello?
No confusion. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one question, sir. Akira here.
Tell me.
Sir, list and tuple, other than this braces, you don't have any
Don't focus.
different
You
sets, sir.
don't focus. That we will discuss later.
Later, okay, sir.
See, already I told, for discussing data structures, list, tuple, set, float, 3 classes required, 3 hours. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Now you don't focus.
Okay, sir.
Small. I completed. Observe, Sandhya. I completed these 8 topics now. What is variable? Variable naming rules. Create or declare variables. Get the data type. Global and local variables. Delete a variable. Next, Python built-in data types. Getting the data type. Getting the data type means type function. Using type function.
Yes,
Just
sir.
a minute. A equals to B equals to C equals to D equals to 100. Observe. What is this one? Assigning a value to multiple variables in a single statement. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Print A. Print A. Last topic. Print B. C. D. I think all are 100. All are
100.
having same value. Observe 100, 100, 100, 100. This is one usage. Next, observe x equals to y equals to z equals to 10 comma India comma 2. Just a minute. X print y
One.
print z. Save the program. Just a minute. Print blank line. Save the program. Run module. What is it showing?
Okay.
What it is showing? X equals to y equals to
Y equal to
oh,
Z. Everything.
just a minute. Suppose x comma y comma save run module. Now
10
observe
India true. Yes, sir. 10 India true.
10 India true.
Yes, sir.
Find the difference between A equals to B equals to C equals to D equals to 100. Means assigning a value to multiple variables in a single statement. Next, observe this selected statement. X comma Y comma Z comma A comma B comma C comma sum equals to value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3. See, this is assigning values to multiple variables in a single statement, but we are assigning different values now.
Yes, sir.
X10, Y India, Z true, but in first statement A, B, C, D all are 4. See, assigning a single value to multiple variables in a single statement, assigning different values to multiple variables in a single statement. I covered both. Observe, run module. Okay, now this concept.
Yes, sir.
Just you tell me the theory for that one. First one, assign
Single value to
a single value
multiple variables.
single value to multiple variables in a statement. In multiple statements you can assign in a
In a single
single statement. In multiple statements, suppose x equals to 100, next line y equals to 100, next line z equals to 100. That is different. This is one. Next
assigning
assign different values to different variables, different, or you can say multiple. Okay, different variables in a single step or statement. This is about Python variables and data types. Sandhya, I am going to close the today's session. Okay. Tell me, Sandhya. Any queries regarding this today's class?
No, sir. Thank you.
Next, Akila, any queries regarding this today's class?
No, sir.
What about you, Lata, Komalata?
I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.